क्यों?
बहुत आवाज आ रही है टेंस की। अपना घर स्लो करा दो।
So, father is a person who catches you before you fall down. You drive he does his best to keep you away from making mistakes. But instead, he always helps you find your own path to be a better person.
So, good morning to everyone, for those who are present with us, and to those who are watching us live on Facebook. Well, happy Father's Day to all of you.
Same to you, sir.
Make you all happy. And it's not very wrong to say that every day is a Father's Day or Mother's Day, but we cannot make them feel special every day. But at least one day we can make them feel special. So let's make them feel special on this day. So Father's Day basically celebrated on third Sunday in June.
I and my co-host, Mr. Daljit Singh, feel honored to welcome you all on behalf of our respected principal, teacher, and management group to our event aimed to celebrate Father's Day and fatherhood.
So, fathers, I welcome you all, and it's an honor that you take your time out from this hectic schedule. So, thank you so much. Let's introduce our fathers and as well as guests of this event. Well, our first guest is Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Sharma, who's the father of Yashika and Vartika. He is the enforcement officer, food civil supplies, and he was a scholar of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and he did his PhD in botany. Well, it will not be wrong to say if I said that we are sitting with a scientist. Thank you so much, sir, for joining with us. Well, moving on to our
Thank you, sir.
father, that is Mr. Hira Singh, is a father of good Shlok and Tejas. He has done his MTech in robotics from IIT Roorkee. He was a gold medalist in his department. In a short span of time, with his determination, dedication, and hard work, he became a business tycoon in our city. Well, moving on to our next guest, that is Mr. Deep Raj Singh, is the father of Abhiraj Singh and belongs to the highly respectable royal family of Bharatpur. Well, he is the director of the Heritage Hotel. As well, he is very kind and generous person who always come forward for any charity purpose in everywhere in a city. Well, our next guest is Mr. Lokesh Agrawal, father of Kanak and Dhruv Agrawal. He is the owner of a publication house as well as he's a director of Bharatpur Cycle Club. Well, he started a wave in our city and with this unique concept in order to stay fit and healthy. And there are many people who are members of this club. Thank you so much, sir, for joining with us.
Next is Dr. Farvat Singh, father of Aditi Singh. He is an assistant registrar in Bridge University, Bharatpur. Before this, he had been an assistant English professor at Jaipur for 12 years. Next is Dr. Hemant Mahavar, father of Ekatmika. He is MSc in physics. He has also done his PhD and in physics, and he is in the Department of Physics in MSG College, Bharatpur. Gaurav Jindal, Mr. Gaurav Jindal, father of Aradhya Jindal. He is a businessman. He is also the district secretary of Federation of Rajasthan Trade and Industries. And the next is Mr. Prashant Vashne, father of Kashvi Vashne of grade 3rd, shares a beautiful bonding with her daughter and motivates her daughter always. He works in a public sector bank in senior manager capacity.
Well, I hope this day and this event shall be full of excitement and joy, making beautiful memories, which put a beautiful impression on your heart. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start this event with a beautiful questions. We have some interesting questions we have for our fathers. Okay, so let's start with our very own and with very that is Mr. Hira Singh, sir. Sir, good morning.
Yeah, there is some problem in my audio system. Just please continue. Just give me a minute only. Till then, you please continue.
Sir, there is some technical issue. Okay. Okay, so good morning, sir. Well, sir, I just want to ask a very interesting question that what is the best advice that your dad ever gave you and you want to forward it to your children? Sir, are we connected?
Yeah, you're talking to me, Daljit sir.
Just a minute.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, getting my voice.
Yes, yes, sir. Now we are connected, sir. I am getting your voice. I think there is some network issue. Let me check. Okay, yes, we are back with our secretary, sir. Sir, well,
Yeah.
I'll repeat the question
Please,
because of some network issue. Very possible that it was not clear. So we want to ask you that what is the best advice your dad ever gave you and which you want to share and forward with your children?
Yeah, actually, we cannot count advice because it's not one. Because whole life he nurtured us in such a way that if we follow each and every bit of the advices, that would be a big bundle. I just can say one thing only. He always said, used to say to we all the 4 brothers and sisters, कि जिंदगी में कभी भी किसी का पैसा नहीं रखना है, कोई भी लेने वाला घर पे नहीं आना चाहिए, चाहे आप अपना पैसा छोड़ दो. यानी if your money is lying with somebody else, please if you ask it or don't ask it, it's okay. But nobody should come just for his or her money to your house. यानी किसी का पैसा अपने पास न रखिए. That's it only. This is the, I think, best advice as a businessman. He always used to share with us, and we try to follow it. And in these days, in the whole life, till at this age, we are trying to follow it.
Absolutely, sir. We are the proof of that, your great work.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much, sir, for this great advice. Actually, fathers, I always notice that all the great things in this world, in this universe, are very simple. Just like our sir gave us a very simple message. That is, the honesty is the best policy. If I put this message in a line, so that is great advice. Thank you so much, sir. Well, moving on to our next question, to our next father, and this question is for Mr. Deep Raj Singh. Sir, what traditions did your father pass on to you that you passed on to your children? Actually, we are not talking about advices here. We are talking about the traditions. So what are the traditions you want to share with us, which you want to also share with your children?
Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Good morning, Hiraji. Good to see you
Yeah, good morning.
online. I would personally say that we have been lucky to be born in a family where traditions and religion, culture plays a very important role. And being part of this royal family, we have understood that the most important thing in life is your ethos, your culture, your values, which obviously comes with time. It doesn't come all of a sudden. But with passage of time, if you are living with your parents, which we are, and we want that everyone should be together and with family, you learn a lot of things at home only. We may say that, our children have gone to big schools or they have not gone to big schools. I think the biggest school is your family, is your home, where you get all your values from. And we have been blessed and lucky. There's few children who are not that lucky to have parents or they've had some problems in life. But we are one of the luckiest people who have had parents as a support. And as you were discussing with Hiraji that what your parents advised you, or is there any specific advice which he had given you? There is no end to giving advices because for a father, a son, or a daughter will always be a child. And I think that we all respect our parents, listen to their advice, because at some point of time in life, you will realize that what they have advised you or they have advised you before will be of great use to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. By the way, I would like to tell you one thing, that all the great personalities are very humble. They are very ground to earth.
This is what we are just seeing when we are down to the same question I just want to pass on to Sanjeev Kumar Sharma ji. Sanjeev Kumar Sharma, the same question for you. I'm repeating the question once again. What tradition did your father pass on to you that you pass on to your children? Sir,
Maybe, ma'am, I think that Mr. Sanjeev is not connected with us. Yes, might be maybe because of the technology, so he might be busy with some other work. So let's move on to some other and with some other interesting question. Okay, question is for Mr. Parvat Singh, as he is a doctor. He is a doctor, we know. So, sir, with a lot of science stuff, we want to know whether you can cook or not, right? And if you can cook, which best dish you cook for your child during this quarantine? Dr. Parvat Singh, are we still connected? Sir, Dr. Parvat Singh, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Are we still connected? Maybe there is some technical issue, I guess. Okay, let's pass this question to Mr. Prashant Varshney. Sir, can you hear me? Mr. Prashant Varshney. Sir, we are having some problem to hear you. Your voice is not. So maybe there's some issue.
Daljit sir, I think there is a connectivity issue.
Yes, sir, there's. Mr.
Hello.
Prashant, I would like to say, please mute yourself and mute yourself just for once. Sir, yes, please. कर दिया मैंने. Okay, just a second. Yes, now I think background noise is clear, very much clear. Now, Mr. Prashant, yes, thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir.
First of all, I thank the school management who gave us some opportunity to talk with you on this platform also. And I am especially thanking the Hira Singh sir that in that particular time of the Corona, they are providing a best education, I think, in the Bharatpur on this online platform. So I'm happy that my daughter is enjoying also this mode of kind of schooling that we could not think earlier also. So I'm really thankful to the school management for this efforts.
our question for you is, during this quarantine time, okay, which dish you have cooked for your daughter?
Sorry.
I just want to ask you that during this lockdown period of time that we have already gone through with 2 months, so which dish you have prepared for your loving daughter?
Yeah, actually, I'm thankful for this corona. On the contrary part, that actually I started cooking also in this period. So actually made 3 or 4 types of dishes. Actually, basically, I am a banker, so I could not find more of the time in this quarantine, such type of this period. We got some 3 or 4 days during the curfew. So in that period, I made some biryani, and her best dish is aloo pakode, that we call is something that's bread pakode something. So she liked, so I could make on her expectation. So I'm thankful that on this online platforms that we have now, that's a YouTube and something, and that's you are also doing online platform. So by this and by this quarantine or something, that's COVID period, so I could made some this kind of dishes, so I could uh, hands on this cooking also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for this lovely answer. Well, moving on to our next question, and this question is quite interesting as well. So, moving on to our next question. This question is for Mr. Gaurav Jindal. Sir, please unmute yourself. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, what is the one thing? What is that one thing that you want your children will remember about you? What is that one thing that your children will remember about you? That one particular thing, if we ask for that one particular thing.
You can be bilingual, sir.
Yes. Hindi and English both are welcome.
Hello.
Yes,
Can you listen me, sir?
हम आपको सुन सकते
Are
हैं,
you
sir.
hearing?
Yes, sir.
हेलो
Hello,
सर,
yes.
मैंने अपना वीडियो ऑफ कर दिया है बिकॉज उससे शायद ऑडियो कम आता है. आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दीजिए. आई वाज नॉट एबल टू लिसन यू.
श्योर सर. ऐसी कौन सी चीज होगी, ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी या फिर कोई भी एक मेमोरी जो आप चाहेंगे कि आपके बच्चे उस मेमोरी की वजह से आपको याद रखें, या फिर वो मेमोरी सबसे ज्यादा याद आएगी आपकी, जो एक पर्टिकुलर मेमोरी या फिर एक पर्टिकुलर क्वालिटी?
ये 2 चीज है. एक तो मेमोरी जो हमें याद आएगी, एक हमारे बच्चों को जो मेमोरी याद आएगी हमारी. तो आई थिंक अब हमको तो वी विल रिमेम्बर ईच एंड एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ देयर लाइफ टिल द लास्ट ब्रीथ ऑफ आवर लाइफ, क्योंकि ये तो बड़ा प्रीशियस मोमेंट होता है बच्चों का. और बच्चे जो हमें याद रखेंगे, हो सकता है हमारी जो वैल्यूज जो हम जो सिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं उनको, जो हमने एफर्ट्स किए उनको पढ़ाने में, या फिर सबसे बड़ी बात है कि मेरा जो मानना है कि वी शुड एंजॉय द प्रोसेस ऑफ पेरेंटिंग विदाउट बॉदरिंग अबाउट रिजल्ट्स. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ बच्चे मेरा याद रखें नहीं रखें, लेकिन आई एम डूइंग माय जॉब, और हो सकता है मेरे अच्छे काम ही मेरे बच्चे मेरे को याद रखेंगे. और बाकी वैल्यूज और एजुकेशन आप लोग इतनी अच्छी दे रहे हैं, तो मैं यही था बस.
सर, आई एम सीरियसली मूव्ड बाय योर लाइन, जो आपने लाइन बोली कि हमें रिजल्ट की परवाह नहीं करनी चाहिए और हमें काम करना चाहिए, एंड दैट इज बेसिकली द ओलंपिक ओथ आल्सो रिप्रेजेंटेड. या किसी भी काम को करने का जो मेन पर्पस होता है वो यही होता है कि हमें वो काम करना चाहिए, वो हम जीते हारे, that is some that doesn't matter. Very ma'am, next.
So now
Exactly.
I want to ask Mr. Sanjeev Sharma ji. So the question is, what is the one advice you followed given by your dad, and one advice you want to give to your child? So I repeat my question once again. What is that one advice you followed given by your dad, and one advice you want to give to your child?
Good morning to everybody.
Good morning,
sir.
So you asked me that what is the one advice I remembered from my father, and I would like to remember by my daughters in future. That is a tricky question. I want that everything my father told me in my life, I should remember, and I remember it. And I would like my daughters should remember all the things and the values I inherited from my father, and I was trying my best to give it or inculcate those values in their minds in future for their well-being or the better equipped to make them better equipped with the values so they can face the world with full heart.
Okay.
That is not the single advice actually.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Well, we are getting a lot of advice. With let's have some game with, especially with children related to some father's game. So, one question or one actually this is a English question. Well, I say so. I would like to ask this question to Yashika Sharma. Yashika, tell me any three interesting adjectives that you want to give that you want to represent your father with those adjectives. Any three
Quickly,
adjectives?
quickly answer this.
Wonderful, loving, and great.
Thank you so
Very
much.
good.
Very well, great. Okay, let's hear the same question. Let's ask the same question with Mr. Prashant Vashne. Sir, please unmute yourself and let's
Kashvi,
please answer any three adjectives. Yeah, three qualities.
qualities of your father. One word qualities. You have to.
Wonderful, nice, and beautiful.
Very nice.
Very good.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Please.
So now let's move to the next question. That is for Mr.
Let's say Dr. Farwat Singh. Actually, we
Parvat
did not
Singh.
ask.
Yes, actually he.
We got some network
have
connectivity
an-
issue. Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Let's ask to Dr. Farwat Singh.
So, sir, my question is for you is, are there things you wish you had done differently as a father? कोई भी ऐसा काम जो है आप कोई भी ऐसी आपके द्वारा किए गए काम जो है जो अलग तरीके से किए गए हो आपके फादर से. So
Sir,
you are not audible.
Sir, we are not getting your voice. Sir, it might be possible that your audio connectivity is not through your earphones. Yes.
Yes, now.
Sir, try it once. That please. Yes. Please. Yes.
sir.
Now we can.
Now
Hear,
we can.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Now you are audible, sir.
My father used to be very hard and harsh with the norms of society and how we should live with the values. And he was very strict. But I think I'm not so strict with my daughter and son nowadays. So I'm very liberal. I provide them with a lot of liberty. And I also help her and learning. Whatever she is getting from society and home and from school also. So this is a different thing. My children, my daughter and my son are enjoying with me.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Now my next question is to Mr. Deepraj Singh. Sir, I think he is not.
He's not connected.
Yeah,
Yes, he's there, he's there.
Yes. So the question for you is, who made the biggest impact in your life, mentored you and coached you?
I think the biggest impact in my life comes from my schooling, which I did in Dehradun. And as I said earlier also, that the biggest school is your house, your home, your family, which teaches you a lot of things in life. So has been my life. And I think that every child basically copies what their parents do and they listen to what they do. So they're very responsive and very careful in their day-to-day activities what they're doing. Because what you do in life, they see every day and then they start doing copying the same thing. So I think that every child who's watching you, who's seeing you day in and out, will copy and do the same thing. So you have to be very, very careful. And I personally think that we should not mix, or we should not bring in outside work, that is business, work related, or your job into the family, so that they are not part of your day-to-day running, day-to-day life, because you have to give them time and you have to take care of them. That is what is very important. Thank you.
So much, sir. So Abhiraj, here I just want to ask you something. Abhiraj.
Yes, ma'am.
So today is what? Abhiraj, do you know what is today? What special day is today?
Father's Day.
Yes. So just tell me 3 qualities of your father. Any 3 things that you like most about your father. Yes, Abhiraj. I think again
There's
it's
some
a
connectivity.
connectivity issue.
Well, we will back with the Abhiraj. Well, ma'am, I have one interesting question with me.
What's that, sir?
Well, this question is for Mr. Gaurav Jindal. Sir, can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes. Thank
I
you
can
so
hear.
much, sir. Actually, most of the time, और मैंने भी अपने बचपन में सुना है और अभी भी सुना है that mother love is selfless, right? हमने काफी सुना है that mother love is selfless. So, do you consider that father's love is also a selfless love? Father's love is also a selfless, or fathers want something in return? What do you want to say on
No,
this?
it is actually it is actually a diplomatic question, and
Right. It
means
is a-
father
it
always
is a
think
tricky
that his love is selfless, and mother, so
Actually,
both
father
love
never shows
equally.
love.
Mother show her love by serving good food and doing some good thing. That father show his love by presenting them gifts, new things, and उनको घुमाने लेके जाना, पार्क लेके जाना. Father इस तरह से love express करते हैं. Way of expressing love is different, but love, they both love equally.
Right, absolutely right, sir. Absolutely right. Well,
Daljit sir, I would like to also add a few more things here. As you said that the mother's love is selfless, I say, and the father love, that is priceless. It is a priceless love because he cares his kids, being there for the whole life. Because once mother's love starts once she conceives, but as mother conceives, father loves also started, and he cares about the kids, that उसको कहाँ ले जाना है जिंदगी में, किस लेवल पे क्या बनाना है. ये father, the day mother conceives, he also starts, and this is a priceless. No, there is no comparison of mother's love and father's love, but father's love is also priceless. I can add one thing.
sir, this line I'm not going to forget in my whole life, that mother's love is selfless and father's love is priceless. I will remember this line my whole life. Thank you so much, sir.
So here
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Hemant Mahavir has also joined us. So for you, sir.
Yes.
This is what we want from the fathers, because I think today they got the opportunity to express their feelings.
Absolutely. So now let's, sir, Hemant Mahavir, sir, here is a question for you, that who made the biggest impact in your life, mentored you and coached you? So I repeat my question.
Yes, madam, yes.
Who made the biggest impact in your life, mentored you and coached you?
Actually, my father makes a biggest impact in my life. और जिनके भी फादर्स हैं भाई, आसपास में जब हम अपनी लाइफ को सेटल करने की जब बात करते हैं, तो जो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक डिप्लोमेटिक क्वेश्चन जो आपने रेज किया था मदर और फादर के बीच में, तो मदर का जो केयरिंग है ना, वो उसका लविंग टाइप अलग होता है. फादर का जो केयरिंग, फादर का सपोर्ट होता है. तो जो सपोर्ट है ना, वो जो सपोर्ट है वो किसी भी स्टूडेंट को, किसी भी पर्सन को आगे बढ़ने के लिए मोटिवेट करता है. तो यही आज के डे का वो है कि अगर फादर, जो भी स्टूडेंट को चाहिए, चिल्ड्रन को ये चाहिए कि फादर के जो पॉजिटिवनेस है उसको फॉलो करें. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि सारे फादर, जितने भी पेरेंट्स हैं, जितने भी फादर्स हैं, उनके सारे काम अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन जो अच्छा है उनके अंदर वो तो कम से कम फॉलो होना चाहिए। बस मेरा यही है, यही बात।
Thank you, sir. So now my next question.
Ma'am, well, let's make this question voluntarily.
Okay.
Anyone can ask, because
Okay.
this question is very interesting and curious. That what as a father
Is the
secret to raising good kids? Like, what is the secret behind raising a good kid? Because most of the time we see that
We people are
काफी
fathers are always busy with
busy
their
या
business
फिर
and all those things.
कुछ बच्चों को वो केयर नहीं मिल पाती. So basically, what is the secret?
And what advice you just want to give the audience that in this manner we can just raise
Yes,
such a wonderful kids?
anyone can answer.
Anyone, it's an open question for all.
I would like to say that every parent is busy with giving advice to their children.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, sir. Can you speak a little louder, because it is.
I'm saying that every parent, mother or father, is always busy with giving good advices to their children, and they are always hoping that you should do this, you should do this, you should do this. But this never works. Actually, what works? If child follows you, child copies you, that is the main thing. What you do in your life, what they observe in your day-to-day life, they follow that. So one should have proper qualities in himself or herself so that the children can follow. The advice doesn't work. That is my opinion.
Sir, I would like to add something.
Yes. Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Am
sir.
I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. You are.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I would like to add something कि जो बच्चे होते हैं ना, उनके माइंड कॉन्शियस और अनकॉन्शियस दो तरह के माइंड होते हैं. तो हम जो बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, हमें लगता है कि बच्चे को याद नहीं रहेगी, लेकिन उसके अनकॉन्शियस माइंड में वो एक्टिविटी उसकी लाइफ टाइम में रह जाती है. तो हमें बच्चों के सामने हमेशा गुड बिहेव करना चाहिए, हमको कभी बीट नहीं करना चाहिए उनको, क्योंकि वो फियर जो होता है ना उनके माइंड में अनकॉन्शियसली रह जाएगा. वो बड़े हो, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कोई बता किसी पार्टी में आप पोएम सुना दे, और वो उसने, जो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, गलत भी हो सकता है, हमने उसको कहा कोई पोएम सुना दो, उसने वो गलत सुना दी, हमने उसे डांट दिया, तो उसके मन में एक फियर हो जाएगा कि स्टेज पे जाने से और गलत सुनाने से डांट पड़ती है. तो वो उसको आगे तक वही पेन रहेगा कि ऐसा ना हो कि मेरे को स्टेज पे जाऊं और डांट पड़ जाए. तो एक स्टेज फियर उसके माइंड में आई थिंक डेवलप हो जाएगा. ये एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल है, बहुत सी एक्टिविटीज जो है अनकॉन्शियसली उसके माइंड में घर कर जाती हैं. तो आई थिंक हमको हमेशा बच्चों से अफेक्शन करना चाहिए, डांटना और मारना बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए. ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, और बाकी मैं आपको बहुत बड़ा ज्ञानी नहीं हूँ. मैं
नहीं सर, आई डेफिनेटली एग्री. यस, आई डेफिनेटली एग्री विद यू. एक्चुअली आपके इस एडवाइस से मुझे एक लाइन याद आ गई, दैट पेरेंट्स आर द फर्स्ट टीचर एंड टीचर्स आर द सेकंड पेरेंट्स. सो यस, ऑफ कोर्स, बच्चे हैं हम, और बच्चे भी नहीं, बड़े भी, हम कुछ भी काम करते हैं हम गलती करते हैं. सो बेसिकली वी ऑल वांट अप्रिशिएशन एंड सपोर्ट so that we can do that particular thing or particular activity again. So very great advice by Mr. Gaurav Jindal. Thank you so much, sir.
Now here again one question, open question for all. So the question is, what message would you like to share with your family or with the audience?
With the audience, right?
On this special occasion.
मैसेज तो अभी मिस्टर गौरव जिंदल ने भी बहुत अच्छा दिया, लेकिन कोई और मैसेज, कोई और इंटरेस्टिंग मैसेज जो हमारे ऑडियंस को देना चाहेंगे? सो
as there are so many fathers are sitting there watching you all.
Daljit sir, I would like to request you to call for with the name, please. Pass on the question with the name, because please, that will be better.
Ma'am, let's ask this question to Mr. Prashant Varshne. Sir, please help us with this question.
Sir, actually, on this particular time and what is happening all around us, So I will say that don't keep so much expectation with you and your childs. So be happy and be satisfied what is happening around there. So but try your best. Don't expect so much. So don't keep the expectation so high. So just try your best and the things will come in your way. Success.
Thank you so much, sir. Ma'am, let's move to the thanking note, I guess. Please.
So here I just want to invite our Honorable Vice Principal of TMIS, Mr. Deepak Singh Rotela, for the thanking note.
Secretary of the Society, Director of TMIS, respected fathers, our worthy colleagues and dearest students. First of all, I'm very thankful that I have been given this privilege to share my views and express my gratitude on this occasion. But moving ahead, first and foremost thing which I want to speak is that this is a very spacious step being taken by the TMIS school system that we have celebrated Father's Day. Mother's Day, we are celebrating all the years, and this was the first time when we celebrated the Father's Day, and that too on such a big scale. I thank all the participant fathers and students for attending this program. No doubt, the relation between the father and the child is precious and most valuable. What I want to speak is already being spoken by one of the father and the Honorable Secretary of the Society, Mr. Hira Singh Ji, that father is the one who devotes his life for his child's progress and well-being, but never complains. He built the character of his child and throughout his life worked for his child's upliftment. So I salute all the fathers on this auspicious occasion of Father's Day. Concluding my words, I wish all the fathers present here and out there a very, very happy Father's Day. Thank you.
So, dear father, thank you for joining us. Besides, I would like to thank all the teachers, students, and the pupils who joined us so faithfully for giving us their time. Taking this brief opportunity, I would like to thank our management group for their cooperation and for organizing such a wonderful event. Thank you all and have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone who's present here. Thank you so much for giving your time. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thanks.
Happy Father's Day once again.